Hello bright champs. Welcome to the Kiddies World. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक exciting grammar topic जो करेगा आपकी English को super strong. So get ready to explore short forms. Let's jump into our lesson. Today, we're learning about short forms. Instead of saying it is, we say it's. Instead of we are, we say we're. Short forms make talking faster and easier. We normally use shortened forms while speaking. Now we will discuss 3 rules to follow when we work with short forms. Rule 1. We remove some letters. Sometimes we join 2 words and remove a few letters. For example, it is becomes it's. We dropped the I from is. Let's see another one. They are becomes their. We removed the A from are. Rule 2. We use an apostrophe in place of the missing letters. See this little mark? It's called an apostrophe. It shows us where letters are missing. Examples: it's, theirs, we're. So the apostrophe is like a tiny superhero, saving space in our words. Rule 3. We use short forms with helping verbs and with not. We often use short forms with helping verbs like is, am, are, was, and were. Let's look at some. He is happy becomes he's happy. I am ready becomes I'm ready. They were here becomes they're here. And also with not. He is not playing becomes he isn't playing. We are not late becomes we aren't late. Look at these 2 sentences. Let us play football. That's a long way to say it. We can make it shorter. It becomes let's play football. Yes, let us becomes let's. Super easy. Now look at this one. It is not mine. It sounds a bit long again. Let's make it short and smart. It isn't mine. We just joined is and not and added an apostrophe. These are called short forms or contractions. We use them to speak faster and sound friendly. Let's see some commonly used short forms. I am, I'm. Let us, let's. It is, it's. They are, they're. I will, I'll. Are not, aren't. You are, your. Activity time. Let's do this activity together. We're going to turn long, boring sentences into cool, short forms. Are you ready? Let's go. Sentence 1. It is your elder brother's birthday. Are you not happy for him? That's a bit long, right? Let's shorten it using contractions. It is becomes it's. Are you not becomes aren't you. Now say it like this. It's your elder brother's birthday. Aren't you happy for him? That sounds better and quicker to say. Sentence 2. My parents said we will go to the temple today. Let's find the words to shorten. We will becomes we'll. Now, the sentence becomes my parents said we'll go to the temple today. Well done. That's a smoother sentence. Sentence 3. I have talked with my friends. They will not come to my party tonight. This one has 2 parts we can shorten. I have becomes I've. They will not becomes they won't. So the new sentence is, I've talked with my friends. They won't come to my party tonight. Great job! 2 contractions in 1 sentence. Sentence 4. It is a sunny day. I cannot bear this heat anymore. Let's change this too. It is becomes it's. Cannot becomes can't. Now say it like this. It's a sunny day. I can't bear this heat anymore. That's much easier to say. Awesome work, Class 3 champs. आज का लेसन था full of learning और थोड़ी सी मस्ती भी. लाइक जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना किडीज वर्ल्ड को, जहां हर वीडियो में मिलता है फन लर्निंग का मैजिक. चलो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए सुपर टॉपिक के साथ. बाय बाय बच्चों, पढ़ते रहो, हंसते रहो.